Change Management Pocket Guide. Leadership of Change, Volume 2. Volume 2 is part of the Change Management body of knowledge. Additionally, Volume 2 forms part of the Change Management Foundation, together with Volumes 1 and 3. This pocket guide contains over 30 aids to support you and your team's organizational change implementation. These aids include over 30 important change concepts, a roadmap, plans, trackers, assessments, a glossary, etc. It includes the key concept of sponsorship, the single most important concept in change success. This pocket guide is structured around the 10-step A2B change management framework to support structured organizational change implementation. Each step is supported by a checklist. 2BCMF Step 1, Change Definition. The process of defining the change and aligning the programs within the portfolio to the organization strategy, ensuring it has a business case and resources to deliver business benefits. Step 1, Checklist, aligning strategy with the change roadmap, benefits planning and tracking, elevator speech, as well as stakeholder analysis and mapping. 2BCMF Step 2, Secure Sponsorship and Resources. Sponsorship. The sponsor is a senior executive who is responsible for delivering change success. They are accountable for the delivery of all 10 steps of the A2B change management framework. Resources. The sponsor will need the support of a competent and motivated change team, a supportive CEO, the organization's leadership team, and change agents to help them implement the change. Step 2, Checklist. Previous step completed, sponsor conversation, sponsor assessment, resources, change agents. 2BCMF Step 3, Assess Previous Change. This step is about assessing previous change to achieve future change management success. This involves analyzing previous organizational change history to mitigate previous weaknesses and enhance future success. Step 3, Checklist. Previous step completed, lessons learned, change history assessment, change approach, and future plans. 2BCMF Step 4, Develop a detailed change plan. This step is about producing a project change plan, PCP, which should reflect the overall complexity of the change effort and include all the A2 BCMF steps. It should identify all the key activities that are required to deliver the organization's change objectives and strategy. Step 4, Checklist. Previous step completed, roadmap and change history assessment input, change approach, collaboration, socialization, communication, and change success. 2BCMF Step 5, Communicate the change. This step is about change communication, the missing link between management and employees, and the drumbeat of successful change. Effective change communication is at the heart of successful change. It acts like the blood in our bodies. Without it, we would not be kept alive. Step 5, Checklist. Previous step completed, stakeholder needs, communication planning, communication plan, and over-communication. 2BCMF Step 6, Assess Readiness. It is the process of assessing the organization and its employees prior to change implementation, ensuring that they are ready to start adopting the change. Step 6, Checklist. Previous step completed, change readiness assessment announcement, circulation, results, and interventions. 2BCMF Step 7, Manage Resistance. Resistance is the reaction by the organization, departments, or individuals when they perceive that an organizational change coming their way could be a threat to them. Without further awareness and understanding, this resistance will cause fear. Step 7, Checklist. Previous step completed, stakeholder analysis, stakeholder mapping, growth mindset, and tell or sell approach. 2BCMF Step 8, Develop new skills and behaviors. This step is about developing new skills and behaviors by performing a gap analysis of existing skills and behaviors at the current stata. Training can then be provided to close gaps for employees to ensure adoption of the change and alignment with the new way of working in the future state B. Step 8, checklist. Previous step completed. Developing new skills and behaviors, skills development process, structured skills analysis, and new behaviors. 2 BCMF Step 9, adoption. This step is about the organization and employees making the transition from the current stata to the future state B, leaving the old ways behind and adopting the new way of working and behaving. It is confirmation that they have fully accepted the change, both in mind and in heart. Step 9, checklist. Previous step completed, change adoption, processes and systems, leadership and AUILM model. 2 BCMF Step 10, sustain and close. This step is about sustaining and closing the change after the organization and employees have made the transition to the B state. This step can be one of the most difficult tasks in change management. Step 10, checklist. Previous step completed, sustain balanced scorecard, close and transfer of ownership. Structured organizational change management is highly complex due to its dynamic nature, involving multiple interconnected factors, particularly human behavior, which can greatly influence the success or failure of change initiatives. By following the methodologies outlined in this pocket guide, every employee in the organization can have access to a common implementation framework and approach to effectively plan, execute, and sustain organizational change while developing change leadership knowledge and skills. The role of organizational change differs significantly from other professional roles and must follow a structured and disciplined approach supported by the sponsor and leadership team. This Change Management Pocket Guide, Leadership of Change Volume 2, provides a structured, practical framework to help navigate this complexity. Let us build a profession that matches the massive complexity of organizational change management with effective, proactive leaders. Those who reject both change management dilettantism and acts of insanity, and who expose the global charade unfolding daily in organizations.